Gold is one of the rarest and most valuable metals on Earth. But before it becomes a shining 24-karat gold bar, it goes through an intense industrial journey. This is the complete process from raw rock to pure gold. Keycap 1: Mining, extracting gold from the earth. Gold begins its journey deep underground. It is found inside hard rock called gold ore. Mining companies use drilling and blasting techniques to break massive rocks apart. These rocks are transported to processing plants, where the real transformation begins. Keycap 2: Crushing and grinding, breaking the rock. At the factory, giant crushers break the ore into smaller pieces. Then powerful grinding mills turn the crushed rock into fine powder. This step is critical because gold particles are often microscopic and trapped inside the stone. Grinding releases those tiny gold particles, concentration separating gold from waste. Now the powdered ore is mixed with water to form a slurry. Because gold is much heavier than other materials, gravity separation methods help concentrate it. In many modern plants, a chemical process called cyanidation is used. A cyanide solution dissolves the gold, separating it from the remaining waste rock. The gold-rich solution is then filtered and collected. Keycap 4: Smelting, creating door bars. The extracted gold is not yet pure. It is heated in large furnaces at temperatures above 1000 degrees Celsius. This melting process removes many impurities. The molten metal is poured into molds to form rough gold bars known as door bars. Door bars usually contain about 80 to 90% gold, mixed with silver and other metals. But to become 24K gold, further refining is required. Keycap 5: Refining, achieving 99.99% purity. There are two major industrial refining methods. Small blue diamond Miller process. Chlorine gas is passed through molten gold. Impurities react with the chlorine and separate from the pure gold. This produces gold that is about 99.5% pure. Small blue diamond Wohlwill process. For even higher purity, the gold undergoes electrolysis. An electric current passes through a gold solution, and pure gold deposits onto cathode plates. This process produces 99.99% pure gold, also known as 24-karat gold. Keycap 6: Casting, forming the final gold bars. Once refined, the pure gold is melted again. The molten gold is carefully poured into precision molds. After cooling and solidifying, the bars are removed and polished. Each bar is weighed, stamped, and marked with purity level 99.99%, weight, refinério logo, serial number. This ensures authenticity and global trading standards. Keycap 7: Quality testing, assay, and certification. Every gold bar undergoes strict quality testing. Laboratory analysis confirms the exact purity level. Only after passing inspection is the bar certified as investment-grade 24K gold.